Good morning, students. So we were doing questions of chapter 7 of mathematics of class 6 from NCERT book. Now we have reached up to exercise 7.6. So the first questions are the sums based on fractions. The questions are like this. First, solve a 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Here denominators are different, so we have to take their LCM. Their LCM will be definitely 21, but for those students who needs more explanation, see this. 3 ones are 3 and 3, 7. It will not get divided, so we'll write 7 itself. And this will become 7, 1 and 1. So 3 into 7 into 1 into 1 will be equal to 21. Next, in the next questions I will not do this, okay, just to make you understand. In this way you can find out LCM. This is what LCM, lowest common multiple. So we'll write 21 here. So 3 7s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21 and 3 1s are 3. So this will become 17 by 21. They don't have any common factor, so they cannot be reduced to any more simpler fraction. So this will be the answer. Now we'll do question number B. Three by 10 plus 7 by 15. LCM of 10 and 15, we can see it here. First of all, we'll divide by 5. This will be 2 times, this will be 3 times. It cannot be divided any more further, so LCM will be 5 into 2 into 3 will be equal to 30. So we can write 30 as common denominator. So 10 3s are 30 and 3 3s are 9. Plus 15 2s are 30 and 2 7s are 14. So this will become 23 by 30. Answer. Question number C. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. So we'll take LCM of 9 and 7. It will become 63. So 9 7s are 63 and 7 4s are 28. Here we will say 7 9s are 63 and 9 2s are 18. So it will be equal to, how to add this without any rough work? See, 8 and 8 will be 16. 1 will be carried. So give 1 to this becomes 2 and this becomes 2. So it will become 46 by 63. Now we will do question number D. 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3. LCM will be 21. So 7 3s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Plus 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. It will be equal to 22 by 21. Answer. Now we'll do question number E. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. It will be equal to, LCM will be equal to 30. 5 6 are 30, 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 35, 1s are 5. Will be equal to 17 by 30. Answer. Now we'll do question number F. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Its LCM will be equal to 15. So we'll write 5 3s are 15 and 3 4s are 12 plus 3 5s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So it will become 22 by 15. Answer. We'll do question number G. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 3 and 4's LCM will be 12. 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Minus 3 4s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. Will be equal to 5 by 12. Answer. Question number H. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. 6 3s are 18. That is how we take out the LCM. You can take this way also. 6 and 3. 6 1 times. This is 2 times. No, 3 we will take. 3 2 times, it will be 1 times. So LCM will be 6. So 6 1s are 6 and 1 5s are 5. This will be 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So it will be 3 by 6. It can be simplified as 1 by 2 because 3 2s are 6. What will happen if you multiply this? Alternative method. If you multiply the denominator, it will become 18. Then we will write 6 3s are 18 and 3 5s are 15. Minus, this will become 3 6 are 18 and 6 1s are 6. How much will this be? This will be 9 by 18. And here also the answer will come out to be the same. See. But if the number will be too big, it will not be wise to multiply them as I did. In that case, we take out LCM. I 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. We will write LCM of these 3. 3 1s are 3. This will be 4 2. 2 1s 2 1. So its LCM will be 4 into 3 12. So 3 4s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Plus 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Plus 2 6 are 12 and 6 1s are 6. So it will become 9 plus 8 equal to 17 by 12. Answer. J. One by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. What is the first thing we will do here? We will find out LCM of these three. So this will become 2, 3 and 6. 2 ones are, this will be 3 and 6 as it is. And then 3, 1 and 1 and 1. This will become 6. So its LCM will be 6. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. Six ones are 6 and 1 ones are 1. So it will be equal to 6 by 6 equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. Next question is K. What is K saying? According to question number K, 1 plus 1 by 3 or 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. It has to be first of all converted into improper fraction. So it will become 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. This will become 4 by 3 plus 3 3s are 9 and 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 11 by 3. Here denominator is same, so numerator will be added. So it will become 15 by 3 and 3 will be cut with 5. So it will become equal to 5. I am explaining this once again. 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. This fraction is greater than 1 because it is 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 1 plus 1 by 3. And 3 2 by 3 means 2 3 plus 2 by 3. So if you will keep these integers together, 1 and 3 together, and if you keep the fractions together, very clearly you will see this becomes 4 and this becomes 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So this was the explanation in breakup. Okay, I have explained it clearly here. So 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 3. 3 2 by 3 is nothing but 3 plus 2 by 3. And these are mixed fractions. And the mixed fractions are generally of improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. So they will have some integer value and they will have some fraction value. So integer values are 1 and 3. Together they are forming 4. And the fraction together they are forming 1. So it is equal to 5. In simple form, we can do it in this way. Multiply this 2 and add with this. Multiply this 2 and add with this. Okay. Multiply these 2 and add these 2. So we will get 4 by 3 plus 11 by 3 and will be equal to 15 by 3 will be equal to 5. L. 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4 is equal to 12 plus 2. This will be multiplied. This we will be added. So 12 plus 2 14 by 3 plus 12 plus 1 13 by 4. The denominators are different, so we have to take LCM. It will become 12. Now 3 4s are 12 and 4 14s are, how will you take out? 4 14s are, do the mental mathematics like this. Keep 14 in front of your eye, keep 4 below that. 4 4s are 16, keep 6 here. Multiply 4 with 1. 4. 1 was there, so it will become 56. So it will become 56. And 4 3s are 12 and 3 13s are. So do it like this. Keep 1 and 3 in front of your eye. Below that keep 1 3. Multiply 3 with 3, it will become 9. And 3 with 1, it will become 3. So it will become 39. Now how will you add this? If this would have been 10, this would have been 16. But this is 9. So it will be 15. So we write 5. 1 is remaining with you. Give 1 to 3, it becomes 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Divide by 12. There is no chance that they can be divided any further because they do not have any common factor. So this will be the answer. M. Sixteen by 5 minus 7 by 5. Keep 5 as common denominator. This will become 16 minus 7. How much will it be? 9. Means you can break this into steps also. 5 will be common factor, means common denominator, and 16 minus 7. This will be equal to 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9 will be equal to the answer. The last sum of this question, n. Four by 3 minus 1 by 2. This will be equal to 6. 3 2s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Minus 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3 is equal to 5 by 6. Answer. So we will continue with question number 2. I had to take a break to fill up the ink in the marker. Okay. So my write-up was becoming faint. Question number 2. The question says, Sarita brought 2 by 5 meter of a ribbon. Lalita brought 3 by 5 4 meter of a ribbon. What is total length of the ribbon they brought? Okay. Okay. Fraction of ribbon brought by Sarita is equal to 2 by 5 meter. Second is fraction of ribbon brought by Lalita is equal to 3 by 4. total length of the ribbon brought by both of them will be equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. What will be the LCM? 20. 5 4s are 20 and 4 2s are 8, and this will become 4 5 20 and 5 3s are 15. This will come out to be 23 by 20. Meter. Now this is improper fraction, so how can we convert this into mixed fraction? So we'll keep 23 inside and 20 here. So we'll write 21s are 20, 3 is remaining. So this will become 20 plus 1 by 3 meter. Both are answers. This is also an answer. So how do we write? We divide 23 by 20 and quotient we will write here. Okay, quotient we will write here. This is 1 meter. And 3 by 20 of 1 meter. So we can write it together as 1 3 by 20 meter. This will be the answer. This can also be the answer. This is also right, but this is improper fraction. This is mixed fraction. In both the ways, the answers are right. You can take a screenshot or you can play back and see. Question number 3. Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of a cake. Piece of cake given to Naina is equal to 1 by 2. Najma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Piece of cake given to Najma is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, total number of cake given to both, टोटल जब भी आएगा तो क्या करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Convert this into improper fraction. This will become 2 1s are 2 and 2 plus 1 3. This will become 3 by 2 plus 3 1s are 3 and 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Its LCM will be 6. So we'll cross multiply, or we can say like this also: 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So this will become 17 by 6. Now 17 by 6 is improper fraction. So we convert this into mixed fraction. So what we will do? We will divide 17 with 6 and we will get 6 2s are 12. This will become 5. So we will get 6 2 by 5 will be the answer. This is also answer, but it is improper fraction and this is mixed fraction. Question number 4. fill in the box. Boxes. Okay. A. Box number is not known. Minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Let this be equal to x. Minus 5 by 8 will be equal to 1 by 4. LHS will go to RHS and it will become plus. So x will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. LCM of 8 and 4, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 8. So we'll write 8. 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2 plus. This will become 5. This will become 7 by 8. So you can write here 7 by 8. Those who have not understood this, if you will see question number B, you will understand. Whichever number will not be known to us, we'll consider this as x, and rest of the numbers we will take to the other side. We will do the required addition or subtraction to get the unknown value. Question number B. Box minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. This value we have to find out, so we'll consider this as x. Minus 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. So this will take this side, so minus will become plus. So x will become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 will be equal to, LCM will be 10. So this will become 5 and this will become 2. This will become 7 by 10. So we'll write 7 by 10. Again, similar question is there in question number C. One by 2 minus box is equal to 1 by 6. Whichever value will not be known to us, we consider that as x. Okay. जो भी वैल्यू हमें पता नहीं रहेगा उसे हम x मान लेंगे, और फिर जो बचा हुआ वैल्यू रहेगा उसको हम LHS से RHS की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. जब भी हम किसी वैल्यू को LHS से RHS की तरफ लेके जाते हैं तो उसके पहले जो लगा हुआ साइन होता है वो साइन भी ऑपोजिट हो जाता है. ठीक है. तो इस बॉक्स के बदले में हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा, 1 by 2 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 by 6. तो माइनस एक्स को यहाँ रख देंगे और ये भी तो प्लस है. दिस विल गो दैट साइड, विल बिकम 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So this will be written as 6 और 2 का LCM निकाल लेंगे जल्दी से. 2 3 times and this 1 time, so it will become 6. So 6 1 is 6 and 1 1 is 1 minus 2 3 is 6 and 3 1 is 3. This will become minus 2 by 6. अब एक बात का ध्यान देना, अगर LHS और RHS में दोनों तरफ माइनस माइनस है तो इसको हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो -1 से, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो -1 से, दोनों पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो x इज इक्वल टू 2 by 6. तो x के बदले हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे 2 by 6. मतलब 1 by 2 से 2 by 6 को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 1 by 6 आएगा. इसे हम 1 by 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. बोथ आर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ऐसे बॉक्स बना हुआ है आपके बुक में जिसमें 9 बॉक्सेस हैं. लेफ्ट से राइट में हमें एडिशन करना है, टॉप टू बॉटम हमें माइनस करना है, बस इतना ही है. यहां पे दिया गया है 2 by 3 और यहां दिया गया है 4 by 3 और यहां दिया गया है 1 by 3, यहां दिया गया है 2 by 3. तो पहले हम ऐड कर देते हैं. ऐड करने पे क्या मिलेगा हमें, इसे इसे ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा 6/3। इसे हम 2 भी लिख सकते हैं बट नो प्रॉब्लम, लेट इट बी 6/3। इसे इसे ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा 3/3। अब इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। 2/3 से 1/3 होगा तो क्या होगा 1/3। 4/3 से 2/3 माइनस होगा तो क्या होगा 2/3। इसे और इसे ऐड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 3/3, बिकॉज लेफ्ट टू राइट हमें ऐड करना है और टॉप टू बॉटम हमें माइनस करना है। In the same pattern, question number B is there. This was 5A. In the same pattern, question number 5B is there. Okay. So I am erasing it so that you can understand in a very clear manner. Five B. लेफ्ट टू राइट में हमें ऐड करना है, टॉप टू बॉटम में हमें माइनस करना है। किसे? जो दिए गए वैल्यू हैं उनको। पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में डिनोमिनेटर सेम थे, अब डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट हो गया, यानी कि हमें रफ वर्क करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे थोड़ा। इसे अब इसे ऐड करेंगे तो क्या करना होगा 1/3 प्लस 1/2। LCM will be 6. This will become 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5/6. So we'll write 5/6. इसी से ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा 1/3 plus 1/4। 1/3 plus 1/4। LCM 12 आया, this will be 4 and this will be 3. 7/12. This will become 7/12. टॉप टू बॉटम क्या होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है, तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है, सो वी हैव टू डू सम रफ वर्क अगेन। सो 1/2 minus 1/3, LCM will be 6, then this will become 3 minus 2 will be equal to 1/6. So we'll write here 1/6. In this case 1/3 minus 1/4. Why? Because from top to bottom we have to do minus. LCM will be 12. This will be 4. This will be 3. This will be equal to 1/12. 1/12. These we have to add. If we go from left to right, then addition has to be there. So we will add this. So 1/6 plus 1/12. जल्दी करना है तो क्या करेंगे, इसे हम कर देंगे 2/12। 2 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, plus 1/12. This will become 3/12 or it will become equal to 1/4. We can write here 1/4. So in this way we can complete this square. So try it yourself. मैं थोड़ा जल्दी इसलिए कर पाया क्योंकि मुझे प्रैक्टिस है। आपको क्या करना होगा, इन वीडियोस को रिवाइंड कर करके देखना होगा बार बार, ठीक है, और फिर दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, सोचना पड़ेगा, प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, तब जाके आप मेरी तरह स्पीडली कर सकेंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सालों से किया है इसलिए आई कैन डू इट वेरी फास्ट, ठीक है। मेरे लिए क्लास 6 है ना इजी है क्योंकि मैं क्लास 6 पास आउट कर चुका हूँ, है ना। आपके लिए ये फर्स्ट टाइम है इसलिए आपको ये बार बार करके फिर प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, फिर इजी होगा। अगर इजी नहीं होता है तो फिर मैं लाइव आके समझा दूंगा, ठीक है। लेकिन आजकल आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत अच्छा समझ में आ रहा है, क्यों? क्योंकि आजकल मेरा कैमरा का जो पावर है वो भी बढ़ गया है, लाइट भी अच्छे हो गए हैं और बोर्ड भी अच्छा हो गया है। अब पहले ऐसा कंडीशन है नहीं, है ना, इसलिए डाउट्स भी कम आ रहे हैं आजकल। दैट इज़ वेरी गुड। फिर भी अगर प्रॉब्लम होगी तो आई विल कम लाइव एंड आई विल टेल यू, है ना। थैंक यू।